So I hear you slow motion your footage in Premiere Pro, but it doesn't look right. Why is that? Hey guys, my name is Aria. I'm a filmmaker. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. Before I explain, let me tell you something. Let's say you shoot a video with your camera in 60 frames per second and your project in Premiere Pro set to 30 frames per second. What does that mean? Your footage in 1 second captures 60 images and you import that footage on Premiere Pro. Your project is in 30 frames per second. You slow down your footage. How much? By 50%. And if you shoot a 10-second video, now you have a 20-second video with the half of the actual time. But if you shoot your video in 50 frames per second or 100 or 120, and if your project is set to 24 frames per second, how are you gonna do that? There is a beginner version of doing that, so you slow down the speed of your footage. Almost always it's not gonna work, but there's a way to do that like a professional editor. Before we dive into Premiere, like this video, go to sequence setting, and here you can see what's the frame rate of your sequence. We drag and drop our original footage. Click right on the footage and select speed duration. Adjust the speed and this is the result. If you click right on the footage, modify interpret footage, and in here you can write the 24 frames per second or any frame rate that your project has. Drag and drop, and this is the result. The original, the speed and duration, and the interpret footage. Let me know down in the comment what is your way of slowing down your footage. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all next time.